Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's your favorite tech, and in this video I'm going to show you how to back up folders on your Windows 10 computer onto an external hard drive. So the first thing you want to do is hook up an external hard drive. Try to get a large one, and let's say you're a YouTube creator or some type of editor that wants to make sure that certain files are backing up to a hard drive outside of your main computer just in case your computer go down. Here's how you do that on the Windows 10. Go to Start menu, type in Backup. Now we're gonna add the external drive. So I have a terabyte external drive plugged in my computer, and we're gonna add it. So you can click Add, and found it right here. And let's give it a second. It's added, click as on. Now you're gonna go to More Options. All right, so when you get to More Options, you can see here you can set your backup settings. I want my thing to back up every, or I'm gonna say daily. So that way when I get off my computer, I know that anything I created that day is still there. I'm using it, for instance, for YouTube. I create videos in Camtasia. I wanna make sure that they're always there in the future, even if my main hard drive get corrupted, right? How long do I wanna keep the backups? I'm just gonna have forever, but you can change that. These are the folders that are the auto default that is bagging up. Now, if you have external drive, it may fill up your drive very fast bagging this stuff up. So you want to remove all folders you're not going to use and only add a folder that you are going to use. So I want you to go systematically throughout this list and remove each folder that you do not want to bag up. Okay, as you can see here, I removed all of the pre-existing folders because I only want to bag up onto my hard drive what I actually want saved in order to ensure I have enough space on my backup drives. All right, so now I'm gonna bag up my Camtasia folder. So you're gonna click Add Folders. Now keep in mind, Camtasia is actually in the My Documents folder. So you wanna actually select that you wanna bag up My Documents, which is your personal documents. And the good thing about that is if you're creating videos, just make sure everything is actually saved here. So if you're downloading videos and audio files, save it in your My Documents. That includes your My Videos, your My Pictures, and all that stuff. It will be backed up into your external drive. So I'm going to choose Folder. And as you can see, it's there. It's the C drive documents. Then Camtasia is the specific target folder is backing up, right? And right now it's officially set and it's officially going to bag up on a daily basis. If you just want the first set of backups to happen now, you can just click bag up now and it'll go ahead and start writing it to your external drive. That's pretty much it. This way you can comfortably use your computer and have all your files backed up if you're a creator or a designer who want to make sure that you just got your work backed up. As always, don't forget to subscribe, and this has been your favorite tech out.
Thanks for visiting our channel. Virtual Tech's mission statement is to assist as many YouTubers as possible in addressing their Mac, PC, and mobile device issues. We actually respond to the text messages we receive. So if you have any nagging questions relating to computer or mobile device issues, please text Tech Issue to 818-732-9142, and we will promptly release a video on our channel with your question addressed. If you want us to keep providing free content, please make sure you subscribe to our channel and like our videos. You can also donate to our channel by looking in the YouTube description of all our videos. If you would like to join our team in creating video content, text Content Creator Job, and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks, and enjoy our content.